So,
good day, my Jamaican people. As you know, this is Romeich of Romeich and Romeich Entertainment. So, I come up with a little new idea now where I want to reach out to the entrepreneurs of Jamaica. Yes, all you young entrepreneurs that been emailing me, been messaging me, say, yo, you know want help? I go stand up for you now and try help you in some way. Whether I give you money towards in a business, or me help you with promo, or me help get customers for you. So, I reach out now to my entrepreneurs of Jamaica. So, everybody where I watch every day, I want to tag an entrepreneur under this, and I will look at them. But most important, we will be telling you all of the information under this video or whatever. I don't know how much chat about other people. Under this video, we're going to type out all of the information and I want to follow it. But I want to listen keenly to what I'm saying. I want people that have structured business. Even if the business not work me yet, I want to have the right idea. I am willing to look at all the proposals and bring it to a next level. Whether I can help it in a promo, or I can help you with cash, or I can use my links and help for uplift. But may I try now, and it's not just going to be now, but a couple months maybe down the line again, whenever I'm financially stable certain way, or I get a good job where I can help. But may I try to reach out right now, and for the next 2 weeks, I go choose at least 5 entrepreneurs where I'm willing to help. Either open my business, or uplift my business, or help it some way, somehow. So, I want to watch every day. Follow all of the information in the caption below and do what we say to do. I don't want nobody to send an email about some little foolishness. We want proper things because we are trying to reach out to the people in Jamaica, the youth them, the young business people, and we are trying to be better. And me I try to help you as a business person and somebody who have a big, huge platform where we can help you in some way. Because you see people, you see once you can even help one person per month, per day, per week, you're helping your country better some way, somehow. So, may I reach out to the entrepreneur then, because at one point I was a young entrepreneur when nobody never want to help. I'm fight my way to reach us up, so me want to help you. So just lock in, follow the instruction, let's get going. Cool? Good.